Today, I'll show you how to send PDF files via Gmail on mobile. If you need to send a PDF from your phone, the process is very simple. This is useful for sending documents like forms, receipts, invoices, school files, contracts, or any other PDF you have saved on your device. You can do it directly from the Gmail app in just a few steps. To begin, open the Gmail app on your phone and tap Compose to start a new email. In the To field, enter the email address of the person you want to send the PDF to. Then add a subject line so the message is clear and easy for the other person to recognize. After that, tap the attachment icon, usually shown as a paperclip. Once you tap it, Gmail will give you different options depending on your phone. If the PDF is saved on your device, choose the option for Files or your phone's file manager, then browse through your folders and tap the PDF you want to attach. If your PDF is stored in Google Drive instead of your phone, you can choose the Drive option and select the file from there. This is helpful if the document is backed up online or shared across multiple devices. Once the file is attached, write your message if needed, then check everything one more time. Make sure you attached the correct PDF, especially if the file names look similar. When you're ready, tap Send. If the file is large, Gmail may take a few seconds to upload it before the email is sent. After that, the recipient will receive your PDF and can open it from their inbox. And that's it. That's how to send PDF files via Gmail on mobile. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.